Mukha kang pera and that is okay. Alam mo guys, lumaki kasi tayo na meron tayong mga misconception and wrong mindset about money. Especially on my part ha. Growing up, I had this terrible mindset about money kasi nung lumalaki ako guys, na-expose ako sa mga idea that people with money, they are greedy, masama silang tao, mga scammers sila, mga corrupt sila, masyado silang mapagmataas, they look down on people. And as a child, we wanted to look good, 'di ba? We wanted to be a good person, essentially, kasi mga bata tayo eh. And so, growing up, I developed this mindset na, okay, yung tao pala ng mga pera, yung mga mayayaman pala, masama silang tao, essentially. They are scammers, ganito, ganyan. People talk about them behind their backs, no? Ginalibak sila sa ibang na tao. So, as a child, na-internalize mo yun sa sarili mo na, oh my God, kung may pera ka pala, ito yung gagawin sa'yo ng mga tao. And so, growing up, nagkakaroon tayo ng negative beliefs and limiting beliefs about money. At habang tumatanda ako guys, nare-realize ko na lahat pala ng mga ideas na yon, it stemmed out from childhood. At now, bilang isang responsabling adult, kailangan na nating i-correct yung mga misconception na yan. We have to correct and we have to take responsibility na i-change yung mindset natin about money. Kasi guys, everything in life boils down to mindset, essentially. Lahat guys, trust me, everything in life all boils down to mindset. Siguro yung mga negative beliefs mo about something, career man yan, love, family, relationships, having children, ano yan, it's somehow mga na-experience mo nung bata ka or growing up or ma-experience mo recently that made you believe na hindi ka deserving ng mga bagay na to. And that's not within your control actually. Hindi mo kasalanan na may mga ideas ka na nga ganyan. Diba? Kasi yung mga experiences natin guys, they can really hurt us. And I believe your pain. I believe in your experience. Wala akong problema doon. But as a responsible adult, it's our job right now. Yes, ang sarap-sarap magpa-victim, guys. Ang sarap-sarap sabihin na lang na, no, ginawa mo sa akin to. You made me feel this way. Ayokong mag-take responsibility. I like that, Ang sarap kaya ng ganun. Pero, bilang taong may integrity and bilang self-aware tayo, guys, we know that it's our responsibility. It's our freaking responsibility. Wag na tayo magpapa-victim sa mga circumstances natin, sa mga mindset ng ibang tao. Yes, lahat ng mga mindset natin, guys, i-examine natin because all of these things na nasa utak natin, they're not from us. They're from our family members, from our parents, from our brothers and sisters, from our friends, from our community. Yung mga tao na we grew up with, ito yung mga mindset na in-instill nila sa utak natin. And it's our time right now as a responsible adult to, kumbaga i-examine natin, i-filter natin. Kasi a lot of these things right now don't work anymore. A lot of these limiting beliefs, they don't serve us anymore. Okay? Siguro it served us before. Yes, nagiging useful siya dati. Kasi we have to survive dati eh. But now, tayo na yung responsableng adult. We are the adult now. We are the adult now. 'Di ba? And it's very empowering, guys. And as an adult, meron tayong power and responsibility to change everything na nakasanayan natin. And I know it's not easy, okay? Don't get me wrong ha. I know it's not just one snap at all. But also, kaya-kaya mo naman. It's gonna be uncomfortable along the way kasi nga, you grew up with this mindset eh. Parang nagiging comfort mo na siya. Parang nagiging mo na siya dito, like, ito na yung nakasanayan mo, kumbaga. And going out from nakasanayan mo, it's really hard, guys. It's excruciating. It's painful. But as a responsible adult, again, wala tayong magagawa dyan, guys. We have to let go of these mindsets. We have to let go of these limiting beliefs kasi they are no longer serving us. And this is the point na sinasabi ko to, guys. Kasi when it comes sa money talaga, a lot of our, kumbaga, beliefs, a lot of our mindset about money, mali na siya ngayon, guys. Kasi nakikita ko yung mga tao na may money, guys, they are very happy. I just came from a vacation from Thailand at doon ko na-realize na it feels good pala to have money. It feels good to pay for food without thinking kung may budget ka pa later. It feels good to afford experiences, to join stuff, magbabayad ka, magbubook ka ng Grab, magbubook ka ng taxi, magbubook ka ng Bolt. Bolt kasi yung tawag sa Thailand. Bibili ka ng mga pagkain, pupunta ka sa mga restaurants without, alam mo yung anxiety na wala kang pangbayad. 'Di ba? It feels so good. It feels really, really good to be in a situation na ang sarap pala mabuhay kapag may pera ka. And this mindset, guys, na na-realize ko on my own, made me think na, oh my God, I really need to let go of these negative notions about money. Kasi guys, for me right now, money is just an amplifier. No? It amplifies who you are. If you have money, kung mabuti kang tao, mas magiging mabuti kang tao. And vice versa. If masama kang tao and if you have money, you'll be a bad person with money. But if you are a good person inside, meron kang moral compass na tama yung values mo, pag may pera ka, magagamit mo yan sa magagandang paraan. 'Di ba? So yan lang. This is the message today. Own it. Mukha kang pera, it's okay, that is good. Own mo yan sa sarili mo, mukha kang pera, and find ways to earn money. Find ways to earn money. I-let go mo na yung negative notions mo about money because it's no longer serving you. Mukha kang pera and that's okay. And mukha din akong pera and we're all in this together. Let's live our lives searching for money, working for money na malaki so we can afford freedom. We can afford experiences. We can afford food. We can get out from situations na hindi natin gusto. Okay? So yan lang naman yung purpose ng money na yan. It's not about, oh, magiging mayabang ka. Who cares if you're mayabang? As long as you have money, you can go to anywhere, okay? Don't mind what other people think. Think of you. Think of your future. Think of your happiness right now. 'Di ba? So mukha kang pera, own it, and I'm proud of you. Mukha tayong pera dito. We're gonna work for money.